Hello, I'm Paul. This is my first YouTube video and I just want to make these videos because I think I can simplify things for a lot of people. I can simplify plants, I can simplify beekeeping, I can simplify bonsai, I can simplify growing your own food, because I've done it all DIY over the last few years. I've done everything myself and I do everything myself because I can't afford to get anyone to do it for me, and I suppose the way to be sustainable is to do these things yourself. Last summer during COVID I set up this business, Island Organics. So I'm selling plants and I'm trying to do a lot of different things at once. I'm going to give you a quick run around the place just to show you what's going on. And I'm not going to do lots of takes because I don't have time for that. This is a bus. This is a 40-seater Volvo Plaxton bus. I've just done up this section for plants. Everything is DIY. I'll be showing you how to do that. I haven't done up this part yet. The bus is still running, so I start the bus every couple of weeks and move it around the place. It's really cool. It's really cool. So now I'm just going to take you for a quick walk around the farm. I'm going to do this in one take, so I'll probably get annoyed by kids. I'll probably say the wrong thing, but I'm not going to do another take. I'm just going to keep going. So I'm going to pause it and start walking. So as I said, the bus is working and it's a great storage facility. It's a great workshop. There's so many uses for a bus and it was cheap. I live on Valentia Island in County Kerry in Ireland. So we're on an island just off Ireland. I keep a lot of perennial plants. I just love plants and trees. These are microgreens. So this is the way I grow my food. You can grow broccoli in a week with microgreens. This is the microgreen room, which you'll see a lot more of. This is my daughter Lola, my pet. I have 3 boys and 1 little girl. This is Bodie. Bodie's a German Shepherd and Bodie minds the chickens. This is like a mini farm here. So the chickens are free range. They stay in that place at night, but they're free all the time otherwise. This is my main greenhouse, which will be filling up now during the winter. Sorry about the bad video. I have an obsession with aeoniums, Aeonium arboreum. So I have a lot of them. This is where I store lots of trees and bonsai and things like that. This is where I grow tomatoes, amaranth, grown in straw bales. I experiment a lot when I'm growing. These are some of my hives. I've just become a beekeeper in the last 4 years and I'm learning fast. Beekeeping is not that complicated. I think anyone can do it once they have an interest. This is the chicken coop. All pretty DIY. Chickens are great. Here's a broody chicken. Oh, she's next door. Here's a broody chicken. So that's it. That's a quick run around what I'm doing here. It's pretty hot here. It's just the start of September. It's pretty hot in Ireland, which is pretty unusual. But anyway, that's what I'm doing around here. So if you want to learn about microgreens, if you want to learn about beekeeping, plant propagation and organic living and how to take care of plants and animals organically, then please like, follow. This is my first video, so I'm not used to all the things they always say at the end of YouTube videos. Please like and follow this and share it. If you want to find me over on Instagram, it's @island_organics. That's the name of the business I just set up. I'm also mad about succulents and anything DIY. And I want to teach people that they can do all this themselves simply and uncomplicated. So please follow me and you'll learn lots of interesting things.